Morning guys, it's Memorial Day weekend. Let's see if we can get some of this greenhouse done here. It's been kind of a rainy weekend, but we have a window of opportunity, so we're going to take it. As usual in Sublette County, it was another lousy Memorial Day weekend. Fortunately, I could find time between the passing rain to continue advancing on our greenhouse. Despite the weather, I went to Pinedale Lumber to get more materials. It is always best to overbuild than to cut corners, and it tends to get a little breezy around here, so better safe than sorry. A good friend of ours had a lot of windows from an old ranch and was kind enough to give them to us. The only thing was that each window was a different height and width. We were given 18 windows, and our greenhouse is more or less 10 foot by 8 foot, so the framing process has taken quite a bit of thought. See if I can move this wall. Again, it's a two-man operation. Here I am. Alright, so two walls are totally done now. To get these gable walls done, which should be pretty quick and easy. I got them all laid out already, so just gotta get to work. The Lord was good to us, and Saturday morning was lovely, so we got to work. Meantime, I was framing the south gable wall. My beautiful Biscuit was joining me, taking photos and trying to figure out exactly what I was doing. As bright as she is, she'll design and tell me how to build our next project.
You got some first dandelion of the summer.
We woke up Sunday to cold and rainy weather. But to our advantage, we had a break in the afternoon to keep moving forward. I got most of the wall done before another storm blew up on us, and we had to call it a day.
So guys, I went to Baumgart's and I got vegetables. Yay, it's so exciting. Look, this one right here is cilantro. I love cilantro. And then back there we got tomatoes, basil, cucumbers, chilies, peppers, habaneros, jom. Conor loves habaneros. Me too, to be honest with you. Well, Conor is advancing on the greenhouse. And I just got veggies for it, and so yay, we are really excited about it. I'm a little bit tipsy, guys. Shh, don't tell anybody. But Conor is not, and so he's working, so I'm going to join him. Let's see here what he can do today. By the way, guys, the eggs had hatched, and so we have at least one baby robin on our crown, which I think that's awesome. I just set up my camera this morning outside and I tried to capture it, but you cannot see him. So, but I captured Dad, and that's the first time that he's around. So, score! Yay for me! Awesome. Well, gotta go back to Conor.
Hurricane come.
I love you. Good morning, guys. How are you? I'm not an expert on a greenhouse, and yesterday I talked to one, my mom-in-law, and she told me that I should replant these babies, and yeah, so I'm replanting them. So wish me luck. so everything grows.
Since Monday was a holiday, Julieta had the day off. She spent the day planting seeds and repotting our starter veggies. Being this high in elevation, you usually have to get all your plants started inside, and we wanted to have a head start on them before the greenhouse is complete.
So there we go, guys. I replanted the starters that I got this weekend, and I got tomatoes, cucumber, cilantro, habaneros, cilantro again, peppermint, habaneros, basil, chili peppers, and over here we have tomatoes, and I got a bunch of seeds today, so I started them. Guys, this is the first time I've ever had a greenhouse, so wish me luck.
I finished another wall on Monday evening, leaving just one more wall to go. This weekend we will have some friends over to help us stand the walls and get the roof on so we can have her done before summer fully arrives. Thanks guys for watching. Be sure to leave a comment and a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out a lot. Stay tuned and we will see you all next week. Peace.